thought I'd do a quick video. Shall we start again? I thought I'd do a quick video on, and I'm not going to edit this, on why still choose a network marketing business, even seemingly as like you're losing money, right? And I'm going to make it in 3 points because I said I was going to do weekly videos. And if you don't know, hello, my name is Olivia. I help the multicultural, multi-ethnic to brand on social media and to make money. So if that is you and you're looking to make money, or you feel that you're living paycheck to paycheck, invoice to invoice, and you're like, I gotta do something, then this video is for you. If I look on the side, just because I put some notes here. If not, we will go off script and I could do like probably a TED Talk for 24 hours. Although I haven't, but I'd like to do something down the line to do that once, you know, there's more, I've got space and time to go 24 hours. That'd be really cool. I don't know what it would be, how it would be, but like, I'm sure I could figure something out. So if you have not done so, do like, subscribe. I pour weekly videos, various different ones. I mean, I'm traveling very soon for an event in Barcelona, so I'll take you guys with me. That'll probably maybe take me a little bit more time to edit. But hey, we'll see what I can do on this one. Really excited. This is going to be a really fun one. And so the first thing about why I choose network marketing in 2026 is because I know it does get, number one, it gets a bad rep on the industry of, recruiting. Back in the day, it was just like you recruit and you sell and that's all you do. But if you look at it today, it's a business model, right? Not everybody's going to win at it. Not everybody wants to be 1% of top sales, top recruiter, top seller, but it is for the average person, even for the person that has maybe no skills, right? What I love about it is because, yes, network marketing comes in with a rep because like all you're selling, but you're offering a transformation just like you would do in any kind of business. It's a business in a box, right? The only difference is that you have somebody that can elevate you, get you to the other side. Like I'm the person, if you're looking for energy, empathy, execution, and excellence, then you're at the right place. I won't do the push-ups for you, but I will do them with you. So if that's something for you and you're like, look, I really want to do that, then absolutely. It's based on using a product that you consume and earning from it. I think because people think that you have to invest a ton of stuff, you don't. Like in my company, you invest 115, 116 pounds, 150 max for dollars or whatever, depending on what country you are. That's how much you invest to start a business in a box. And then you can start earning from the moment that we sign you up because you have your own code, etc. Really up to you, right? You can start with having tried the product, or you can start with, just doing the business how I joined. I joined because I was looking to make money. I didn't know what the product was, but I trusted the person that had messaged me and said, hey, look, I think there's a great opportunity for you. You get skills, you get mindset, you get tactics, you get to, build leadership. You get to be your own leader, right? In your own story. Second is because most people quit before they get good. It's sales. When people don't see results or they don't put in the work, and it's probably like 90% of like more internal work that you have to do than the external work. You're facing your own fears. You're facing your own things. But the thing is, like, there's always action in everything that you do, right? So we're bridging the gap in between expectation and reality. And sometimes people are like, oh, I want to learn this. But I'm like, I don't know your skill set to get to there. So yes, it's cool to throw in a number like, oh yeah, I want 2,000 pounds, but do you have a skill set to do it? Do you have like the mindset to it? Could we maybe work like on the 200 pounds, the 500, maybe the 1,000? I don't know, right? But everybody's going to be very different. And so sometimes people don't want to fall in love with what if you can repeat all the time the same thing by getting better at your craft and still, having skills to meet new people, to share new people. And, not everybody will want what you have, but that does not matter. It doesn't mean it's a no for you. It's a no for them. That's the difference. Sometimes people just get so excited. It's so bogged down by the fact that they said no. It's not a no to you. It's a no to themselves. And that's okay. It's not that bad. It's just how many no's can you receive to be able to get to the yeses, right? And then the last thing I will leave you is you don't need network marketing to work. You need you to work, right? The model works. The model is very simple. For us, it's you use a product, you talk about it, and you demo it, right? From the holistic supplements that we have to the skincare, like I use, I talk, I demo. 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 The product, the compensation plan, everything is already there. The thing is, like, you're going to have to build skills on sales, on confidence and consistency that is just going to have to back it up all the time. Like, how many times can, how many conversations are you having and what are you not having? And I think that's where people really get down, is because they don't put in the work. And you're not used to it. It's like going to the gym. You're probably not used to, going 3 days a week to the gym. You've maybe never done it. But can you get better at showing up consistently at the gym by repetitively sticking to the goal, right? It's like the supplements. The supplements work. They don't work if they're still in the cupboard. I was talking to a friend, and she was like, yeah, the product's like, I'm not just consistent. I'm like, well, are you using it? She's like, no, they're always in the cupboard. I was like, well, take them out of the cupboard. Put them out. Show people that you're using it. Like, have it in front of you so you can use it. If not, it's not going to work out. It's not rocket science, but, prepare your clothes the night before so you get that out of the way. Not rocket science, but, if you have there, you don't have time to procrastinate. My clothes are out. I have no choice. They're out. I'm going. My brain already knows. Unless I'm really tired and I really can't do it, okay, I'm allowed to have like a day of rest. But the next day, I better get back into work and get on and do it, And so that's where we really need to start like thinking of, okay, what is it that I want to change in my life? Because for things to change, you got to change. And what I love about the model is because you can make money and you can earn a commission straight away, right? I still remember when I posted this. I don't remember if it was. At some point, I posted a picture of somebody. Where was it? Of course, it's probably in my conversations. Ugh. So many things that I screenshot that I'm like, oh yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah. So somebody had ordered, right? 14/17, 14/20, I received a payment. That's how it works, right? You make money. And if that's something for you, then absolutely you get your own card. Where's my card? Of course, I don't have the card. You get the card. You can use your card. That's what it is. Now, yes, is it more to that? Absolutely, more than just getting paid. But what if I had a system that could help you out? And that's something for you, and you're like, look, I want to be able to make money. But it's an investment in you, right? The reason why is because it's sales. It's like, it's an investment in you, meaning that you're going to have to work. I can't do the work for you. But if you're looking for energy, empathy, execution, and excellence, and you're looking for a system where you can make money, where you can grow, you can build, then absolutely drop me #hybrid. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys next week on something else. And you'll probably see one of the lives. All the videos you guys can go and check. But yeah, #hybrid. If not, you can message me somewhere around the link. And that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.